Welcome back everyone. I am back with another starter recipe, that is Methi Chicken Tikka. I highly recommend trying out this recipe because the distinct flavor of methi gives a unique taste to the chicken and enhances its flavor. The chicken turned out to be so tender and juicy when yogurt is mixed with methi leaves, which adds a unique aroma and distinct flavor to this recipe. For making chicken tikka, always try to use boneless chicken thighs as they are juicier than the chicken breast. So let's get started. For this recipe, we'll do 2 marinations. For first marination, I have taken 2 pounds of boneless chicken thighs cut into small pieces. Add some salt to taste, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix them properly and leave it aside for a minimum of 15 minutes to maximum of 1 hour. While chicken is marinating, let's start preparing our second marination. For second marination, we'll need 1 cup of fresh methi or fenugreek leaves. We'll blanch these leaves first in hot water for a minute to mask the bitterness of methi and then remove them to cool down to make a paste along with some green chilies. Then in a pan, heat a tablespoon of mustard oil or any vegetable oil of your choice. Add a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, let them splutter and add the fenugreek leaves paste and cook for 5 minutes on medium to low heat. Now let's start mixing all the ingredients for second marination. In a bowl, add 1 cup of yogurt, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a tablespoon of lemon juice, fresh fenugreek paste that we made, a tablespoon of gram flour or besan, a tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, little bit of salt. Mix all the ingredients and add the second marination to the chicken. We'll marinate this chicken for 2 hours and after 2 hours, preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and start threading the chicken pieces onto the skewers. Total cooking time of this chicken is 40 to 50 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the chicken from oven and brush some melted butter. Basting helps to keep the chicken moist and juicy. Flip the sides and again brush some butter and place it in the oven for remaining 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove it from the oven and serve with onion rings, lemon and chutney. You can also pair these tikkas with naan and raita. I hope you are enjoying these recipes as much as I enjoy making them for you. Please let me know in the comment section how this recipe turned out. I would love to read your comments. Stay tuned for another mouth-watering recipe. Until then, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.